how much should you actually spend on a shower head? There are so many options, from the super cheap to the pricey ones. But let me tell you, price doesn't always mean quality. Let's figure out which filtered shower heads are actually worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1, high-pressure rain shower head. The high-pressure rain shower head by Bozibo caught my eye with its dual shower head feature, an impressive price tag of $47.46. If you're looking for a truly immersive shower experience that makes you feel like you're under a refreshing waterfall, this is worth a serious look. This shower head offers a massive 12-inch square face, which ensures full body coverage with its 278 spray nozzles. You'll enjoy a smooth rain-like sensation, perfect for a relaxing evening. Plus, it has 10 spray settings, including power jets for cleaning your pets or washing your bathroom, which is super handy. And with a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, you won't have to worry about a weak stream ruining your shower. Now, I did find some reviews mentioning that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it should be manageable for most people. So if you're not afraid to get your hands a little dirty, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a luxurious shower experience and have the space for a larger unit. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact to fit in a small bathroom. Overall, the value for your money with this one is pretty solid. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, SR Sunrise Filtered Shower Head, priced at just $21.99. This caught my attention because it combines a high-pressure shower experience with water filtration, which is a pretty sweet deal. What's great about this shower head is its powerful filter system that removes chlorine and heavy metals. This is especially important if you have sensitive skin or hair. It has 8 spray settings, including a power wash mode, which makes it versatile for both a relaxing shower and cleaning up. I was genuinely surprised by how effective the water-saving feature is. It operates at 1.75 gallons per minute, but feels much more powerful. This means you can enjoy a great shower without feeling guilty about water usage. However, some users mentioned that the filter needs to be replaced frequently, which could add to your maintenance costs. But let's be real, if you're prioritizing your health, it's a small price to pay for clean water. This is perfect for families looking for a cost-effective way to improve water quality. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, non-filtered option. It's a fantastic value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for customizable shower experiences. Product number 3, Magic Home Filtered Shower Head, which is priced at just $19.99. This one stood out to me because of its 10 spray modes. Talk about customization. With this shower head, you can choose from rain, massage, mist, and more, making it perfect for every mood. Plus, its air induction technology ensures a strong water flow even if your home has low pressure. This is really important for a satisfying shower experience. What I love is that it has anti-clog nozzles, so maintenance is minimal. It's made from durable materials, and the installation is tool-free, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants a quick setup. However, some users did mention that the hose could be a bit short for taller showers. But honestly, if you're looking for a shower head that can adjust to your needs, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for those who love a variety of shower options without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a very long hose for a high shower. The value here is definitely impressive. If you're still on the fence about filtration, you might want to check out the next product for a more advanced filtering solution. Product number 4, Cobby Filtered Shower Head. We have the Cobby Filtered Shower Head, priced at $23.99. This one really caught my attention due to its ergonomic design and powerful filtration features. What's impressive is the integration of KDF55 and calcium sulfide balls that work together to filter out impurities effectively. This means you can enjoy softer water that's kinder to your skin and hair. Plus, it has 6 spray modes, and the thumb press design makes it super easy to switch between them. Honestly, the self-cleaning nozzles are a game changer. You won't have to worry about limescale buildup, which is a common headache with other shower heads. The flow rate is 1.8 GPM, which strikes a nice balance between power and efficiency. Some users mention that replacement filters can be a bit pricey, but really, if you consider the long-term benefits for your skin and hair, it's a worthy investment. This is perfect for anyone who wants an efficient and health-focused shower experience. Skip this if you're not interested in the filtration aspect. The price is quite reasonable for what you get. Now, if you need something a bit more advanced in filtration technology, the next product is definitely worth considering.
Product number 5, AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter. Let's wrap up with the AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter, priced at $36.99. This one intrigued me because it's designed specifically to rejuvenate skin, hair, and nails. Right out of the gate, it claims to improve your skin condition by filtering out chlorine and other harmful chemicals. This can be a lifesaver for those struggling with dry skin or eczema. It's packed with multi-stage filters that work from day one, which is impressive. The best part? The filter cartridge lasts about 6 months, costing you only about 9 cents a day. This offers great long-term value compared to other products that require more frequent replacements. However, some users found it slightly bulky, which can affect installation. But if you're looking for a filter that actually hydrates your skin and restores your hair's shine, it's worth the small hassle. This is ideal for anyone suffering from skin issues or anyone who just wants a healthier shower experience. Skip this if you prefer a more compact option, but for its price, it delivers great quality. Alright, that gives you a good overview of some fantastic filtered shower heads on the market.
So there you have it. 5 amazing filtered shower heads to consider. From the luxurious experience of the Bozibo to the budget-friendly Magic Home, each has something unique to offer. The SR Sunrise and Kabe provide great filtration options, while the AquaBliss targets skin health specifically. Whichever you choose, your shower experience is bound to improve.